In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display the rulers in Photoshop if they're missing from your workspace. Rulers are a very helpful tool in Photoshop, especially when you need better control over placement and spacing in your design. They make it easier to measure distances, line things up accurately, place guides, and create cleaner, more precise layouts. Whether you're working on a poster, a social media graphic, or any design that needs careful positioning, knowing how to quickly turn rulers on can really improve your workflow. If your rulers aren't currently visible, the easiest way to display them is by going to the View menu at the top of Photoshop. Once you open that menu, click on Rulers. As soon as you enable that option, you'll see the rulers appear around your document window, with a horizontal ruler across the top and a vertical ruler along the left side. This gives you an instant visual reference for size, spacing and alignment while you work. If you prefer using shortcuts to save time, there's also a quick keyboard method. Simply press Ctrl and R on your keyboard, and Photoshop will immediately toggle the rulers on or off. This is a great shortcut to remember because it lets you quickly show or hide the rulers without interrupting your editing process. If you use Photoshop often, small shortcuts like this can make your work much faster and smoother. Once the rulers are visible, you can do even more with them. You can click and drag outward from either the top ruler or the left ruler to create guides. These guides are extremely useful for aligning text, shapes, images, and other design elements with much greater accuracy. They help you keep everything balanced and properly positioned, which is especially important in layout-based projects. Even though this is a simple feature, it can make a big difference in the quality of your work. Using rulers and guides helps you design with more confidence and precision, while also reducing the guesswork that can slow you down. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring Photoshop's built-in tools and shortcuts to improve your editing speed, accuracy, and overall workflow. Happy editing!